Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME P3 Ultra and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all we have to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with a 3 bars icon. And if you've got the gestures, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here, something like that. And here we've got the recents. So basically to close all of them, simply tap on close. Now we can go back to check, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.